Are you facing a "this account is currently locked" error on your TikTok account on your iPhone? Well, no worries. In this advanced video, I'm going to show you how you can solve this "account is currently locked" error on your iPhone. So without any further delay, let's get started. Open up your Safari browser, then type and search TikTok feedback. Next, tap on the feedback and help. Then scroll down and tap on the report a problem option. Then write your problem like, "Hello, TikTok team. I'm getting the "this account is currently locked" error on my TikTok account. I don't know why it happened. If I violated any community guidelines, unfortunately, please recheck and remove this warning. Here's the account information. Make sure to add your email and username at the end, and then attach the screenshot. Finally, tap Submit. TikTok support will send you the feedback on your account within 48 hours. So guys, this is the way to solve this "this account is currently locked" error on your TikTok account on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, then ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.